Hey everyone, welcome back to another short unboxing and review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys OPPO Find X9 after 1 month. So first of all, talk about the box content. So first of all, we get one soft case and some papers. Next, 80-watt fast adapter and USB Type-C cable and one SIM ejector tool. And finally, our smartphone. And this is titanium gray color. And look at this, the phone look too much good. I really like this color. Design wise, OPPO Find X9 are excellent. I really like this smartphone new camera design. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass 7i in the front and also glass in the back with aluminum frame. And the smartphone also offer IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistant. Overall, the smartphone hand-on feel is very premium and the smartphone weight is 203 gram. Moving to the display, the phone comes with 6.59-inch 1B color 120Hz AMOLED panel with HDR10 Plus support, and this is 1.5K resolution panel. And the smartphone comes with 3600 nits of peak brightness. Security wise, the phone comes with under display ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Both one is speed very fast and secure. The smartphone powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9500 SoC with ARM G1 Ultra GPU, and this is 12GB RAM and 256GB variant, and the smartphone also available 16GB RAM and up to 1TB storage with UFS 4.1. The MediaTek Dimensity 9500 is the latest flagship processor from MediaTek, so you can get easily flagship level performance after more than 3 and 4 years. On the software side, the phone running ColorOS 16 with Android 16, and the phone also offers 5 years more Android updates. Moving to the camera section, the phone comes with a triple camera setup, 50MP main sensor, 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 50MP ultra wide and 32MP single selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, 60fps video and also 120fps slow-mo video. Now talk about the picture quality. Daylight photo are very sharp and clear. All the images have a lot of details, and 50MP ultra wide also take a good photo has main camera. And I really like this smartphone portrait pictures. You can take an excellent portrait with this smartphone, and the night photography experience also very good. The 50MP sensor take a good photo in a low light and night also. And the smartphone also comes with bigger battery, 7025 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging, 50-watt wireless charging supported. So you can easily get more than 1 day battery backup with heavy use. So if you are already using OPPO Find X9, let me know in the comment what's your user experience. So that's all about our short unboxing and review OPPO Find X9. Long time for review coming our channel very soon. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Don't miss the video. Okay, that's all about our video. Thanks for watching and I'll be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.